Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week's Zombicide Undead or Alive mini is Wild Bill Hickok from the Dead West set. He was black and white zenithally primed, and I get started with Berserker red for the base colour of his jacket. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I used Asmodeus red to base colour the trousers and waistcoat. This is also used as the highlight on the jacket, just to keep everything tied together that bit more. To add a highlight to the trousers and waistcoat, I went for Fur Cloak, as this has that hint of orange, so it works well for a bright red highlight. The base and the sash around his waist get done with Plague Brown. For his face and a highlight on the sash, I used Sunny's skin tone. His shirt and trim around his jacket are done with Offwhite. In the artwork, these are a bit more of a brownish sort of tone, and I'm hoping the wash stains it towards that direction in the end. He has bright ginger hair, so I grabbed rust orange and gave it all a once over. The remaining parts of the clothing all get done with Ancient Forest. All of the weapons get done with Platinum Crown, as they have that weird tint to them in the artwork, and Platinum Crown is the closest I have. Now for the wash, the entire mini gets washed with Archaic Sepia wash. Finishing up, I added some sandy desert texture to the base. And that will be it for Wild Bill Hickok, a very simple mini that took less time than all of the others so far, so that's always a good start. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want to take a closer look at this mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.